He freezes with the hat on.
You have the hat on? Is this your birthday?
I'm not into the hat. Okay. Alright, open it up. This is from Nana and Pops.
On YouTube.
Alright,
I'll help him.
open it up.
I'll help him you video this time.
There you go. It's a card from Nana and Pops.
Ready?
Open it up. Oh. Dancing.
Yay!
We're boogieing.
We're boogieing, Henry. Oh, balloons!
All right. This is called the birthday dance. All right, there, close it. Okay, now open it back up. Open it. There you go. All right. Here's the balloons from Nana and Pops. Just to see you smile. Can you smile, Henry? What is that?
He's figuring it out though.
All right. Yeah,
Okay,
more.
Close it. Close it. Can you close the card?
Here. Close it.
Close it. Okay, now open it.
Okay, open it. That's Boogie. You got it.
You got it. You can open it.
You got it.
Open it.
There you go. We're boogieing. Mama, he liked you pounding on the table. He's like, what was that?
Just to see you smile.
Yeah. Yeah.